in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default point value assigned for questions on your Google quiz. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google form or quiz, however you want to refer to it is fine. And then you want to select the settings tab up at the top here. And then where it says respondent settings, make sure you go down underneath global quiz defaults. Default question point value, you can change the value of that just by typing it into here, whatever you want the point value assigned. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.